When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour we spent together lived within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me, through the summer and the fall, we had each other, that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be. And when she was lonely, I was there to comfort her. And I knew that she loved me. And so the years went by, I stayed the same, but she began to drift away. I was left alone. Still I waited for the day when she'd say, I will always love you. Together, like it was meant to be. Lonely and forgotten, never thought she'd look my way. Then she smiled at me and held me, just like she used to do. Like she loved me when she loved. When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour we spent together lived within my heart, like she loved